In this video, I'm going to show you how to add item categories in Square. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Items and Services over here on the left, and then you want to click on Items, and then from here, you want to click on Categories. Now, inside Categories, if you don't have any, you'll see a button in the middle of your screen saying Create Category, or if you do have any, like me over here, I can just go to the top right and click on Create Category. Now, that way you can add item categories, so you can just go ahead and give it a category name. For example, I'm just going to give it like pink shirt over here, and of course you can select the parent category if that's relevant. I'm not going to do that because I don't have a parent category. You can add an image if you want to, and then you can select the items, of course, which this is relevant to. So I'm gonna check mark the t-shirt over here, click on done, and there we go. The category is gonna be added under the item called t-shirt. Of course, you can select over here if you want it to be point of sale, so of course you can enable this or disable this and click on save. Now whenever you do this, you've successfully added a category, so item category, in Square. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.